Hello students, today I am going to teach you very interesting topic, that is probability. Now what is probability? Probability means possibility or chance of getting an event. Now you can see there are two pictures. One picture is of chair and one picture is of parrot. If I ask what is the probability that chair will fly, then all of you will say, sir, chair will never fly. Then here the concept of probability is not applicable. If I ask what is the probability that parrot will fly, then parrot will always fly. Here concept of probability is applicable. Now just see. Now what is the definition of probability? Then just you see, probability is calculation of possibility of an event to occur. Now just you see, in probability there is an important term, that is what is random event. The event that cannot predicted with total certainty, that is called random event. Now we will understand with the help of examples. Suppose, see students, when we throw a coin, then surely we cannot say that we will get head, or surely we cannot say that we will get tail. Means either we will get head or tail. Now in case of die, when we throw a die, then see, either we will get 1, we will get 2, we will get 3, we will get 4, we will get 5, we will get 6. Now see, if I ask from anybody what is the probability that we will get 3, what is the chance of getting 3, then see, it's not sure. We can get 1, we can get 2, we can get 4, we can get 5, we can get 6, and we can also get 3. Then such events are called random event. Means the occurrence that cannot be predicted definitely, but that will occur definitely. Now see next. Now formula probability. Probability of an event means equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now it is probability of an event is denoted by P within bracket E equals to NE upon NS. Now just see. Now when we throw a coin, then what are the total possible outcomes? We will get head or tail. Now see, total number of possible outcome equals to NS equals to 2. NS equals to 2. Now see, when we throw a dice, then either we will get 1, we get 2, we will get 3, we will get 4, we will get 5, we will get 6. Then what are total possible outcomes? Then total possible outcomes NS equals to 6. Next. Now see, now we will do question based on probability. Now see, a coin is tossed, what is probability of getting head? Now first we will write the formula of probability. First we will write the formula of probability. PE equals to NE upon NS. I hope this I have already discussed. Now see, when we will throw the coin, then we possible outcomes equals to 2. That is head and tail. Now see, in question it is asked what is the probability of getting head. Now favorable outcome, that is NE. Now just you see, the probability of getting head is equals to 1. Now probability of getting head equals to C PE equals to Ne upon Ns, that it will be 1 upon 2. I hope you have understood. Next, now see, die is rolled. What is the probability of getting 3? Now see, when we will throw the die, then total number of possible outcome Ns equal to UC. Either we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it will be equals to 6. Then what is the probability of getting hit? You see, the probability of getting 3 equals to 1. Now the probability of getting 3, P within bracket 3 equals to Ne upon Ns. Now that is 1 upon 6. Now see, what is the probability of getting 7? Now I have already told you, see, total number of possible outcome Ns equal to 6. Now just you see, when we throw a dice, then we never get 7. Then favorable outcome Ne equals to 0. Then probability of getting 7 equals to 0 upon 6, that is 0. Now one more question. Now in a box, 3 white ball, 4 black and 3 red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that ball will be black? Now I have told you, first see in a bag. Now you see, this is the bag, and see 3 white ball, see 3 white ball and 4 black ball, like this 4 black ball, then 3 red ball. Then just total number of ball equals to 3, 4, 7, 7, 3, 10. Then it equals to 10. Then Ns equals to 10, and the means when we will draw the ball, then it is the chances that we will get the 3 red balls. Means 3 red balls we will get, that is Ne equals to 3. Now the probability of getting 3 red ball, that is P within bracket R equals to Ne upon Ns. Now see, it will be 3 upon 10. Now it will be 0.3. Then we see probability of an event is always between 0 to 1. I hope you have understood. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like my video.